Hi guys, good morning. How is your study going on? How you are utilizing your time for your study? So today we'll move into the session, the same session, polynomial. In that session, already in the previous session we have discussed about the polynomial, introduction of the polynomials, linear polynomial, your quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials, and how to find out the zeros of the polynomials, the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of the polynomials. So today we'll discuss about what the division algorithm for polynomials. So division algorithms. Now I am recalling you in chapter 1. Already you have learnt about Euclid's division algorithm. So they are also division was there. These were division algorithm. So let us start from that Euclid's division algorithm. What Euclid's told us? A and B are two positive numbers. Two positive numbers. Then there exist unique integers q and r. So in shortly I am writing, not writing in details. So that we are telling a is equal to bq plus r, comma 0 less than equal to r less than b. This is your Euclid's division lemma. So in division, whenever suppose in division we are writing that division. So in division we are getting the terms dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So these terms we are getting in division. So what is the relation between them? So let us first establish the relation. So we already know it, that dividend is equal to the divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now some cases we are getting remainder 0. There we can say that the divisor is a factor. That things already we know. The same thing we will discuss here for the polynomials. So let a polynomial px is divided by a non-zero polynomial gx has unique polynomials. What? Qx and rx. So let a polynomial px is divided by a non-zero polynomial gx. Okay? Then there exists has, or we can write then there exist a what? Unique polynomials qx and rx. So we can write here, suppose here, according to the Euclid's division algorithm, when we are dividing a divided by b, here is q, here is r, you are writing a is equal to bq plus r, and we are writing 0 less than equal to r less than b here. So here similarly px is the polynomial divided by divided by a non-zero polynomial. Non-zero, that means gx is not equal to 0. Gx is not equal to 0. So now here gx, what we'll get? Our quotient will be px and remainder will be rx. Here, so we can write this relation. What we can write? Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Here, px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, and rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx always less than degree of what? Gx. Degree of gx. Mind it, degree of rx must be less than the degree of gx, or rx will be 0. So when here we are writing when rx is equal to 0, then gx is a factor of the polynomial px. So now see, when rx is equal to 0, then gx is a factor of the polynomial px. So remainder will be 0, then the divisor will be a factor. Keep it in mind. Now we'll proceed by taking one example. Now move on to the example. Divide 2x square minus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So definitely this is your divisor, this is your dividend. Now we'll divide this by this. Okay, so when we'll divide this by this, how will divide? You know division. See, 2x square minus 3x minus 2. It is already arranged in the descending power of the variable. Already, if not arrange first. First division rule. What? Number 1, arrange the variable in dividend. Arrange the variable in dividend according to descending power or degree. Power open, right? Degree of variable. Number 2, what? Arrange the variable in dividend. Arrange the polynomial. Arrange the polynomial in dividend according to descending or degree of variable. Arrange the polynomial in divisor according to the descending power of the given variable. So now we'll proceed. So here is given x minus 2. Now how to divide? First term, division rule 3. First term of dividend by first term of divisor, or with sign. Sign must be there. So what is our first term? That is equal to 2x square by x is equal to 2x. So now here put 2x, and that 2x, you know it, just I am recalling, that 2x will be multiplied with x, what will give 2x square, then minus 2x into 2, both the terms of the divisor, the result will be multiplied with both the terms of the divisor. So now this becomes 4x. Now change of sign, this is given x minus 2. Now step 4, same process here, rx is not equal to 0, or degree of rx, not less than degree of gx. Again I will write this. So we will continue the division. Then again first term of this is become the first term of dividend with sign by first term of divisor with sign. So that is equal to x by x is equal to 1. So plus 1. Now multiplied by both the terms, x minus 2. So this is a minus plus coming 0. So now finally we are getting rx is equal to 0. Now here rx is equal to 0. Now I can write 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to what? This is your dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to divisor x minus 2 divisor into quotient 2x plus 1 quotient plus remainder plus 0. This is your remainder rx. This is your qx. This is your gx, and this is your px. So px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. But here rx is equal to 0. Hence gx is a factor of px. Gx is a factor of px. So x minus 2 is a factor of 2x square minus 3x minus 2. So here we have verified that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will take another example to explain it in a better way. Now move on to the next example. Example number 2. Divide 4x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 2 by x plus 3 plus 2x square. So definitely this is your dividend. This is your divisor. So now already I have told you we have to arrange the dividend as well as the divisor in descending power of the degree of variable. Descending power of, or you may also arrange in ascending power, both, but it is better to write in descending power of degree of variable. Why? Because this is the standard form. This is the writing process of the standard form. So now here it is given. What is given? Your dividend 4x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 2. But divisor is given x plus 3 plus 2x square, not given in the descending power of the degree of variable. So now we can write x plus 3 plus 2x square is equal to 2x square plus x plus 3. So this is arranged in the descending power of degree of variable. Now we'll divide. Proceed on for division. 2x square plus x plus 3. As already I have told you how to perform the division. So here first term of dividend by first term of divisor, both with sign. With sign, always sign is given. So that is equal to 4x cube by 2x square is equal to 2x. So first this is your, we'll put in q part. First one, q part. Q is what? Quotient. So now you write 2x. That 2x, that quotient will be multiplied with all the terms of the divisor and the result will be written below the dividend. So 2x into 2x square, 4x cube plus 2x square plus 6x. 2x into 3, 6x. 2x into x, 2x square minus minus minus. Sign change. So 4x cube minus 4x cube cancelled. Now we get minus 6x square. Here directly we are getting minus 2. Plus 6x minus 6x cancelled. Plus 6x minus 6x cancelled. Now move on to the next. What we will get in the quotient part. So here that is your 6x square. Second part minus 6x square by again 2x square, that is equal to minus 3. We are getting minus 3. So 2x minus 3. So we are getting what? Minus 3 into 2x square is equal to minus 6x square plus minus 3 into x minus 3x. Then minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus plus plus. So now cancelled. That is coming your 3x minus 2 plus 9 plus 7. So this is your what? Quotient. This is your quotient. This is your divisor. This is your remainder. And you know this is your dividend. So we can write here Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Where you know Rx is equal to 0 or degree of Rx less than degree of Gx. Now one by one we will explain. See, when we are divided, here 4x cube, here 2x square. Degree, first 3, 2, then we got 2x. Now we are getting 6x square, here 2x square. So degree same degree. Then we are dividing 6x square by 2x square. If it will be less, the remainder, degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. There we have to stop. Here 3x plus 7, 3x, degree of the variable is 1. Here degree of the variable is 2 in the divisor. So we cannot divide further. So that will be the remainder. So I have written Rx is equal to 0. Maybe Rx 0 or the degree of Rx, degree of the remainder must be less than the degree of the divisor. You should remember this one at the time of performing division. So now we'll little more discuss about it. How we got the relation. So we can write 4x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to 2x square plus x plus 3 into 2x minus 3 plus your 3x plus 7. This is your Rx, this is your Qx, this is your Gx, this is your Px. So Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So we have verified this one. After performing the division, we got that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, we'll move to the next example for better understanding. Example 3. Find all the zeros of the polynomial 3x4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 6. If you know that two of its zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. These are two zeros. So if root 3 and minus root 3 are two zeros of the polynomial. So x minus root 3 into x plus root 3 that is equal to a minus b into a plus b, j square minus b square is equal to x square minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial px is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 6. Now we'll divide. What to divide? X square minus 3. Here is 3x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 6. So now here the coefficients are 3, 5, 7, 15, 6 and the degree 4, 3, 2 and it is arranged according to the descending power of the variable or degree of the variable. Here also x square minus 3. Now we will get to first term. So first term of quotient is equal to first term of the quotient. So you know 3x to the power 4 by x square is equal to 3x square. You are getting 3x square. Okay. Now 3x square. Now that 3x square will be multiplied by x square and minus 3. So that is coming 3x to the power 4 minus 9x square. So plus minus, this is cancelled. Now coming minus 5x cube. This is minus 7x square plus 9x square is equal to plus 2x square plus 15x minus 6. Now here see, the degree of Rx is more than the degree of Gx. So we will proceed for further division. So now second term of quotient is equal to what? Minus 5x cube by x square is equal to minus 5x. So that is equal to minus 5x. So minus 5x cube minus plus 15x minus plus. So now here we are coming 2x square minus 15x plus 15x cancel. Now minus 6. Here also the degree of the remainder is more than the degree of, equal the degree of the divisor. So further we can go for division. So third term of quotient. Third term of quotient is equal to 2x square by x square is equal to 2. Dividing that term by the first term of the divisor. Already we have told you. Already I have explained that one. That is equal to. Now plus 2, here is coming 2x square to minus 6. So plus minus 0. This is your Rx remainder. This is your Gx. This is your Qx and this is your Px. Now how will get the other zeros? So now you have to factorize 3x square minus 5x plus 2. So now I will factorize. What? That is your, I can write here Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So further factorizing Qx. 3x square minus 5x plus 2. So by middle term factorization, I will factorize it. 3 2 is 6. 6. So 2, 3. Here is plus is there. So minus 2 minus 3 plus 6 will come. So 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2. That is equal to 3x common x minus 1 minus 2 common x minus 1. That is equal to x minus 1 into 3x minus 2. So if we equate it to 0, so equating to 0, we will get x is equal to 1 or 2 by 3. So zeros of the polynomials, Px, what? 3x square minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 6 are root 3 minus root 3 already given. We got 1 and 2 by 3 answer. So now if you have subscribed my channel, so thanks for your subscription. If till yet you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. You will never be disappointed. Thank you.